ho! Merry Christmas! So guys, this is the Santa outfit. I must say, I actually do like it. So the front is zippered, so you can zipper the coat. You got the pants, the hat. It does come with other accessories as well. So you have these stockings, or no, are these the boots? I think these are the boots. Okay, so these are the boots. Let's see how we want to do this here. So, wait, are these boots? Okay, so these go over your shoes. So they just go over. You got gloves. So you got white gloves in here. I don't know if we need all this stuff. Like the boots, I think we'll just get black boots. You got the white gloves. We'll keep them. You do get a belt. So if you want to make it authentic, so fully authentic, you do have a belt that you can put around. It's actually a pretty simple, nice belt actually. Just loop this through. So it is a nice belt. Now, we probably didn't loop that correctly. So just for now, we're just gonna tuck it there. Some other accessories. So is this a bag? It looks like either a bag for Christmas presents or a bag to put the outfit in when you're done. Looks like we might have a beard or hairnet or wig. This might be a wig. So you guys get the full outfit, like the full effects. Is this a wig? Or is this the beard? This might be a beard. Oh, is this how it goes? Oh! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, my friends! Ho! Merry Christmas! I've come to take all your gifts for me! So guys, this is it. I'm getting really hot. But this is awesome. This is a full outfit and I love this. This is awesome. Highly recommend it, guys.